into my eyes and show me your adventures I haven't seen. Taking all the life, it hits the spot. Walking on fantasy.
Welcome to the first episode of RV Redo. This is Alice, our motorhome. We picked her up about 2.5 years ago.
This is the RV. This is the official JD Joyride TV mobile home. We got an RV for the channel. Welcome back to another Joyride vlog. We're gonna actually start, you wanna be on the videos, bud? So we're gonna start doing RV renovation vlogs. What do you think, bud? RV reno vlog? I guess this will be our first episode of the RV reno vlogs because Laura wants to redo the entire inside of this. We're not going to do it like all at one time and rip everything apart because we still want to use our motorhome. So we're going to do it in stages. So I started taking a few things apart already. I ordered a few parts on Amazon of some things that's already broke and messed up on the RV. You want to show them what's not working? The steps.
The steps were working, but they stopped.
Yep, they stopped. So we got... Not sure if it's gonna work, but this is basically a new motor for the steps and we're gonna find out if that works. So we're gonna replace that in this video. We're gonna go ahead and give you guys a tour. Driver's seat right here with the Allison transmission, and that's how she got her name, Alice. She got air horns. Oh yeah. Originally like a big tube TV in there. We still have to figure out something to do with that area. If anybody has any ideas, please drop those in the comment section because I have been racking my brain trying to figure out what to do with this little insert area. We've got a couch over here, and we've got this couch over here with car seats. Dinette. Right here is our fancy kitchen. Stove. Freezer. Nothing's in there yet. And then
Refrigerator.
Fridge. This is something that most RVs don't have. Washer dryer combination. It does both.
This is pretty important.
What? Yeah, right here. This basically is your little monitor. Tells you everything. It tells you how much black water, gray water, fresh water, your LP, and then your battery. Some drawers, storage compartments. Now the washing machine, when I first got the RV, they told me that it leaks, so I wasn't sure, so I basically left all the water cut off to it. I pulled the washer out, sat it right here, turned it on so I could see where the leak was, if I could see it, and I took all the panels off. As soon as I turned the water onto it, from the cold water side, there's a valve in there, and the water was just like pouring inside. And the machine wasn't even on. I was thinking that it was leaking from the outside of the machine into the camper, but no, it wasn't. It was the valve. Good old Amazon. This is the piece that's leaking. We've got the replacement. This is the cold water valve, and there's where your power hooks up. So we're gonna replace that. That might be the part number right there. The master bedroom. Liam is out. We broke the curtains. Got our fancy color TV. I want to say it was probably like a 13-inch TV, and what was crazy about it, TV has a cigarette lighter adapter, and that's how the TV plugged in.
TV or something.
She's cleaning
when we get there.
Yeah, we should. I got a brand new TV up here in this compartment. I bought a brand new TV. I haven't installed it yet.
The only thing I would do is redecorate it.
Laura wants to replace all this floral. I like it. She wants to take up all the carpet and this tiled floor that goes out through here, and she wants to paint all the wood, these cabinets and stuff. She wants to replace the knobs. She doesn't like the gold. She wants to reupholster all the furniture. This is our motorhome, guys. I'm okay with how it is. It doesn't bother me at all. I just want to fix the things that's broke. One thing that I did already fix, this knob right here. This is basically like a dimmer switch, you can see, and then it also cuts this on too, and a headlight switch. So I did replace that because it was acting all sorts of funky. All right, they're fixed. Let's take a walk inside, and Laura is gonna give you guys what?
Why do I have to do it?
Because everybody, I'm the expert. I may be the expert, but you're the one everybody wants to see. Everybody wants to see Laura. I would rather watch you than watch me.
No, you wouldn't.
Guys, look at this. Look at how beautiful this woman is. Why would you not want to watch her? That's why I married you. He doesn't want to give you guys an update. I was just going to show him everything that we've done since the previous tour of the RV. You did shampoo the carpet?
Did you already show that you got rid of your tube TV?
We gotta figure out something to go with that. It's basically just a giant hole we need to figure out something to do with. There's actually a plug back there, so if you ever want to plug anything in, which is kind of cool. I want to get a new head unit. I already mentioned that. I want to put a camera system in this thing. Anybody has ever driven something this big or driven anything with a trailer, you get a lot of blind spots, so I definitely want to put a camera system in here. That's coming soon, babe. Camera system.
Yeah.
So, oh yeah. One of the biggest exciting parts is we got a TV. I hung a TV. It's a 32 inch and I hung the sound bar. I made the brackets myself. Like when you're sitting here in the driver's seat, it doesn't obstruct the view from anything. You can still see. It's definitely gonna make it a lot nicer riding in this thing, sitting in the couches or the dinette where she's at. I mean, you guys have a perfect view. What do you think, hon?
Oh yeah, we had so much trouble trying to find a spot because every spot we found was like not in the best place or was in the way. Why are you giving me this?
You said you had to go.
You said you had to go.
If I have to go, I need this one.
You're trying you both.
Show them how the toilet works, hon.
You're the expert in that department.
Really?
Yeah.
There you go, right there. We took out that tube TV and now we have that one. It's gonna make it a lot nicer. I know you're gonna miss the tube TV, hon.
Well, you've got it in the Shelby now, so.
Oh, we're gonna install it in the Shelby?
Because doesn't that work off the cigarette lighter?
Yeah. And then we've got a sound bar sitting on top of there. And the reason why I put the sound bar in the RV, because if you're going down the road and let's say you want to lay here in bed and watch TV.
I can't. You can't do that when you're driving.
Yeah, you can. Just, if you're laying in the bed, just buckle up. You're good. We'll get ratchet straps and I'll just ratchet you down to the bed.
Okay.
She'd probably like that. You would, wouldn't you?
Yeah.
What'd you say? Put a TV in the bathroom so I'd be ratcheted to the toilet?
Yeah.
So we want to talk about what we are going to do. So everybody that's watching this, they know what they have to look forward to.
Which we're gonna try to do.
Oh, we're gonna do it. So one of the main things that we want to do is paint the all the cabinetry, all the wood, and then flooring. For the flooring, we want to go with, what material is that?
Like vinyl or pergo or something?
That looks like wood.
Yeah.
Something that's lightweight. So anytime you do anything in here, you don't want anything like super heavy. You want something lightweight. She likes the more gray tone. I like the more distressed wood look. I don't like the gray tone because you say you were going to paint the cabinets gray.
Really light gray.
Really
like
light
almost
gray.
White. Because I kind of wanted white, but you said it, the ceiling.
Ceiling, it's like that cloth material ceiling and it's an off-white. And if you paint the cabinets white, then I think that it's going to make the ceiling look dirty because it's an off-white.
Yeah, so we'll just do like a really light gray color.
A light gray color. And then the refrigerator, are we going to paint that? See, I'm an interior designer. You guys may not know that, but that's what I do. What? You got to admit, when Les, if you guys know Dark for Hours, he hired an interior designer to come there to tell him what color to paint the walls. Before that interior designer came, I told him different shades of gray. Rooms with less windows and less light, it's going to be a lighter gray, and rooms that are really bright with more windows and more light, it's going to be a darker shade of gray. Exactly what that interior designer came in there and told him, the exact same thing I said. Because right now, gray colors is what is in right now.
Reupholstering is super expensive, so maybe try and find a new couch. Like these things are almost off already.
The cushions, you can actually buy the replacement cushions.
You can just get new cushions.
I would probably just take this off and try to just make it wood and paint it.
See, the material's literally just stapled on there.
Oh yeah, I can see it's just stapled in there.
So we could do that easy.
So we could do like a tile backsplash. The countertops in here are actually pretty nice, which is kind of good because you see a lot of these RVs, they have like laminate counters. This is actually Corian. I don't know this material. It's something cool. We're gonna say granite.
It's not granite.
Yeah, it is.
I think it's Corian. It's like the step below granite. And we'll have to replace the...
All this fabric that comes along this slide, pop out, we want to replace all of those. What are we gonna do? Are we just gonna put a piece of wood or something?
Could.
Just go with that because that's like the little border for the pop out. As far as the windows, we've been looking up and trying to figure out, and we've been racking our brain around that too. What did you see most people doing?
Just taking that thing off and having normal curtains.
Really? Just like pool shades or blinds or whatever?
No, like just normal curtains.
Really?
Yeah.
The only thing I'm worried about is when you take it off, we're gonna have holes in the wall, like trying to get them back
Well,
on.
if we're gonna paint, you can just patch it.
But all this, like up here is good. The only thing we really need to paint is just those knobs or replace them. Getting to that part in the video where we're gonna wrap it up. Anything else you want to say?
If anyone has ideas, to comment them below.
Yeah, because we definitely could use a little bit of help, especially if some of you guys have already done this before. And if anybody wants to come over and help us do this.
Or knows where to get some cheap RV couches.
Yeah, we're trying to find RV couches, the ones that we've...
Reupholstering is like so...
Yeah, it's more expensive to reupholster than it is to buy new. And then the new ones, I think, are like $1,000 just for a couch.
Yeah, but like one pillow is like $200 or something, plus materials.
Yeah.
It's just crazy.
Yeah, it's wild. Hope you guys enjoyed this upload, and if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and let me know what you guys think of these RV vlogs. And I'm going to be creating a playlist just for all of our RV videos, so make sure you subscribe. Check out some of the other RV videos that we've already done, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.